Hi guys, here in the Arabic Meso, we'll start to here to the salad. Wow. Yeah. Because that our in charge here, she's now is preparing and we are taking some more varieties to put it here. So now we are starting from a little bit varieties. So this is a yogurt with cucumber. Yeah. And the special today is smoked chicken makluba. Yeah, but now we are still here to preparation, so that's why look at that. So chicken makluba. Very close, very silga, because now will be to keep the hot. Yeah, and then after that will be open at around 6:30. And this is the vegetable. Yeah. This is the vegetable. Only vegetable, sorry. Only vegetable, yes. And French fries. Yes, of course. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.